talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down, click here on notification settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to send me weekly event recommendations, perfectly here match it. Disable it here for in app and here in email. Then like you see here, it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it here for notifications. That's all. I wish know you I get it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.